Let us start to see the use of merge all operator in RxJS. For this I have done nothing but created an Angular application, and let me start. Let me declare an observable that will emit some values 1, 2 and 3, and we will define the use of merge all that will merge all the inner observable that will receive from the source. Let me create a method get value that will return you a new observable that will change your value that you will input inside it. Let me add the value 100. So in this method, whenever we call, it will give you an observable that need to be subscribed in order to emit the value. And let me create a map one, and that will map the values to these observable. We will give the project function that is get value v that will return you a new observable. So now we have 3 values, and now we have 3 different observable inside it. As a source we have one observable, and with the help of get value project function we have received 3 inner observable method. Now when we will subscribe the map one, then we will have to subscribe each and every values that has been emitted from the inner observable. So it becomes very difficult to manage when we have a lot of values that are coming from API. Let us see the output. So we have the values 101, 102, 103 that are coming from 3 inner observables that are created from the source. Let me console.log all the values that is coming from the source observable. Then we will see how it is different, how it is modifying the source observable. So we have printed the values of original source and the values that are mapped with the help of map project function. So the problem is that suppose that these are coming from API and it is taking a lot of time. Suppose it is taking 3 seconds. We have applied the delay with the help of pipe, and after 3 seconds it is emitting you all the values. So for all these values it is doing nothing but observing and subscribing separately these 3 values. So we should have some mechanism so that we can have the one source that emits the values coming from all the inner observable that has been emitted from source. So we will do nothing but apply the merge all operator inside it, inside the pipe, that will do nothing but merging all the inner observables to the source, and we will simply subscribe to the source and get the values that has been coming from the inner observables. Let us see the output. So after 3 seconds we are getting the same values. So previously we have to apply the subscribe to each and every values. Now with the help of merge all we are subscribing only the source. So all the values that has been coming from inner observable are emitted by the source observable. Thank you so much for watching.